Hi everyone! Today we're keeping it simple for a nice, simple 4th of July mani. So I'm going to be using Big Blue by Wave Gel just because it's the only blue this color that I own. I am using the regular lacquer from their matching set. And I'm also using two limited edition Colors de Carol polishes. This is from I think a couple of years ago. However, every year she does holiday polishes and they have the same colors in them. So you're perfectly good if you like these and you like her polishes to go out and get this year's polishes. So this one is called Freedom and this one is called Honor. And I do love her holiday polishes. Well, actually all her polishes are really great, but I love these too. So let's get started. First I'll be applying base coat to all of my fingers. I'm going to paint my middle finger with Big Blue, my thumb with Big Blue, and my pinky with Big Blue. My index finger and my ring finger I'm going to paint with Honor. I love a fun mani for St. Patrick's Day. I mean, 4th of July. I don't know where I was thinking. I'm going to add a second coat. Big Blue doesn't really look like it needs a second coat, but I'm going to add another one anyway. Sometimes I just like to have 2 coats of polish. Besides, it looked like I either missed a spot or how did it chip in like 10 minutes on the tip of that nail. And then let's see how another coat of Honor looks. Right now that looks okay in 2 coats. We might be able to get away with 2. There we go. A 3rd coat would definitely whiten it some more, but yeah, I think we'll just leave it in 2. Now I'm going to use the Freedom Topper on Big Blue. That looks so cute for 4th of July. I've never done this. Let's just try some of this Freedom over Honor. It's just got some holographic sparkle in it. There, that's kind of different. Now I'm going to top everything off with a quick dry glossy top coat. And I will come back when this is dry. So here is the finished mani. Super simple. I love these kinds of manis for holidays because basically you just use glitter and nail polish. And if you don't have these special nail polishes, you can always use loose glitters. I believe Glitter Unique has all these different sizes, so you can check them out, and the little star glitters, and then you can just sprinkle it on top of your white and blue polishes. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.